A very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to start our next topic, that is divide using repeated subtraction. Means by using subtraction we have to divide the numbers. So let's start. First of all, first number is 20 divided by 5. Means here we have to start the table of 5 and we have to find out in how many times 20 will come. So let's start. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20. That means in 4 times 20 will come. After that we have to solve like this here, because it is saying that repeated subtraction method. So here first of all we have to write 20, and here 0 is in ones place and 2 is in tens place, and we have to reduce this number by 5 until and unless 0 will not come. So here first of all 0 is less than 5, that means we have to take borrow from 2. So this 0 will be converting to 10 and 2 will be converting to 1. Now 10 minus 5, that is 5, and this one will be here. Again we have to reduce 5. 5 minus 5, that is 0, and here 1 will be here. Again we have to subtract by 5. This 0 is less than 5. Now we have to take borrow from 1. This 0 will convert into 10 and this 1 will be converting to 0. Now 10 minus 5, 5, and here is nothing, that means 0. Again we have to subtract by 5. So 5 minus 5 is 0. So here how many times we have to subtract? 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. Means 4 times after subtracting 5 we got 0. So here is the also same number is given, that is 4. In the same way, second question is 18 divided by 6. Now here we have to start the table of 6. So 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18. That means in 3 times 18 will come. Now again we have to follow the same procedure. 18, that means 8 is in ones place and 1 is in tens place. Now we have to subtract here this number, that means 6. And how many times? Until and unless 0 will not come. So here we have to subtract 6. So 8 minus 6 is 2. This 1 will be here. Again this 12 minus 6. So 2 is less than 6. That means we have to take borrow from 1. So this 2 will be converting to 12 and this 1 will be converting to 0. Now 12 minus 6 is 6 and this 0 will be 0. Now again we have to subtract by 6. Now 6 minus 6 is 0. Now count how many times we have subtracted 6. This is 1, 2 and 3. That means 3 times we have to subtract 6. Then we get the answer 0. So here that means when we divide 18 by 6, the answer is 3. In the same way you have to solve this question also. Now our next topic is multiplication and division facts. Here the question is complete the multiplication and division facts. You have already learned in your previous videos about the properties of multiplication. So here we have to use the same thing and we have to solve the questions. So let's start. First of all, 6 into 3, that is 18. We all know that 6 threes are 18. Now in this second step we have to interchange their places. That means 6 will be in second position and this 3 will be in first position. We have to interchange their places. So if we interchange their places, that means 3 into 6. So 3 6 are 18. Always the answer will be same. Now in case of division, First of all, we have to write down the greatest number. Here 3, 6, 18. Which one is the greatest? That is 18. So here we have to first of all write down the greatest value, that is 18. Now we have to put the sign divide. Now first of all we have to use the from these two numbers. First of all we are using 3 here, means 18 first of all divided by 3. When we divide 18 by 3, the answer is 6. Means in the table of 3, 18 will come in how many times? That is 6. In the same way, now here again we have to write the 18, then put the sign divide, and here we have to again interchange their places. That means first of all we have divided by 3. Now here we have to divide by 6. Now when 18 will be divided by 6, so again here we have to start the table of 6, and we have to find out in how many times 18 will come in the table of 6, that is 3 times. In the same way, next question is 5 into 4 is equal to 20. It is already given. Here is blank, and here 20 divided by 4, that is 5, and again here is a blank. Now first of all 5 into 4 is equal to 20. We all know that when we interchange their places, in case of multiplication, the answer will always same, the product will always same. So first of all here is in 5 is in first position, so here we have to take in the second, and here 4 is in the second position, so here we have to take in the first position. Means 5 into 4, so we have to write here 4 into 5. Now when we multiply 4 into 5, the product is 20. Here 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. It is already given. 20 will be as it is because it is the greatest value. Next is we have to use divide sign. Now we have to interchange these two places. That means here 20 is divided by 4. Now here we have to divide by 5. When 20 will be divided by 5, the answer will be 4. Means in the table of 5, 20 will come in 4 times. In the same way, first is blank, next is 2 into 8 is equal to 16. Again blank, again 16 divided by 8 is equal to 2. Now here 2 into 8 is given, means 2 is in first position. Now here we have to write 8 into 2, means this first will be in second position and this second will be in first position. So 8 into 2, that is 16. Answer should be always same, the product will be always same in any of the case. Next is here 16 divided by 8 is equal to 2. So first of all we have to write here 16 because 16 is the greatest value. Now put the sign divide. Here we have already divided this number by 8. Now we have to divide this number by 2. When 16 will be divided by 2, the answer will be 8. That means in the table of 2, 16 will come in 8 times. In the same way, you have to solve this questions also, as well as you have to solve in your book also. Thank you for watching this video.